What's up, y'all? As you seen from the title, today we're gonna be making some Cajun creamy chicken. So first thing we're gonna need to do is go get some chicken. All right, we got us a chicken. Y'all might not want to watch this next part. Be still now. All right, you too. Y'all don't watch out, y'all gonna get it next. Show these people how to make some goose. Alright, now that we got our super fresh chicken breasts, still nice and warm to the touch, the first thing you're going to need to do is score you some lines. Just like so. Get this chicken off our cutting board. This is a simple, cheap, quick, delicious meal. If y'all want to give it a try. Now we're going to cut up one shallot, finely chopped, or you can substitute a purple onion. I use both, they're both good. Got that done. I'll take us some green onion. Go ahead and chop that up. Now that we got that chopped up, take us a few cloves of garlic. Now if you don't like heavy garlic, I wouldn't use more than about 4 or 5 of these. I like my garlic a little heavier, so I'm gonna use 6 or 7. Finally chop that up. Now, take your large saucepan. I got my heat on a little over medium. Put your little olive oil in there. Now, take your about a tablespoon or so of butter. Enough to coat the bottom side of that pan. Alright, now that we got a little heat going, like I said, I'm a little above medium heat. Take our chicken. Put you a nice thick coat Cajun seasoning on both sides. If you don't want to use Cajun seasoning, you can put salt and pepper, that's fine. we're gonna let that get brown on one side. It's gonna take 2.5 to 3 minutes. We're gonna flip it over and do the other side. Be back in a minute. All right, let's see what that's looking like. Oh yeah, it's been a little over 4 minutes. Nice and brown on one side. Flip it over. We'll let that go. Probably take 3 or 4 more minutes. Let's check out this chicken. Oh yeah, barely pink in the middle. About to take it off. Go ahead and take that smaller one off. It's done. Oh yeah. Alright, now we got that chicken done. Take us another little piece of butter. And our garlic. Now this ain't gonna take long, about 30 seconds. Just gonna let that garlic turn golden brown. I'm on about medium heat right now. Go ahead and get our shallot ready. That'll be going in next. Definitely don't want to burn this garlic. Like I said, about 30 seconds. That looks pretty good. Put our shallot in. Alright, just cook that shallot down so it gets nice and soft. It didn't take long. Now I'm gonna put about a cup of this chicken broth. You can use warm water. If you don't have any chicken broth, that's fine. Let that get back up to temp. Now that that's starting to come back to a boil, I'll put me a little lemon juice in here. Half a lemon if you got some fresh lemons. Then we're going to put a couple cups of heavy whipping cream. Cup and a half. Now that that's returned to a boil, we're going to put in our green onion. Get all that goodness. Take your Cajun seasoning, put you a thin layer across the top. Again, you can use salt and pepper if you'd like, if you want to be boring. Now we're going to let that simmer for at least 3 or 4 minutes. Now, she's been going for about 3-4 minutes. Now, you don't have to do this next step, but I like to put me some mushrooms in there. Now we're going to simply set our chicken back in there and all that goodness. Like so. Oh, look at here. We got to put that back in. Can't let that stuff go to waste. I'm gonna lower that heat just above low, just above a simmer. Just a real slow boil. Alright, now we're gonna take some of this good looking sauce here. Base the top of our chicken. Now them grooves we scored in there, that sauce is all getting up in there all deep like. Keep that chicken nice and moist. Now we're gonna let this slow boil. We're gonna cover it. Let that go for about 10 minutes. Slow boil. Keep eye on it. Alright, that's been going for a total of about 10 minutes. Gonna kill that fire. Just gonna let that cool for a minute. Now that that's been resting for a few minutes, ooh, look how tender that is. That looks good. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's gonna be good. Alright, y'all. How good does that look? Chaw! About to give that a taste. Oh, that's beautiful. Super tender. That is delicious. Juicy, juicy. Good garlicky, oniony flavor. That's good. I ain't even gonna lie, y'all. That was delicious. Cheap, simple, quick, easy. Can't go wrong, right? I got about 10 bucks in that meal. You can't get a Happy Meal for 10 bucks. Give it a try. If y'all enjoy this type of content, let me know. I'll keep making stuff. Like, comment, subscribe. You know the deal. Appreciate it, and I'll see y'all in the next one.